Now, let us discuss question number 1 from exercise 14.2 chapter 14. The question is that two opposite angles of parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degrees and 50 minus x degrees. Find the measure of each angle of parallelogram. Now, moving on to the solution. Let us consider ABCD or 4 angles of the given parallelogram as shown in figure. So in this, as it is given that two opposite sides of parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degrees and 50 minus x degrees, let us take angle A is equal to 3x minus 2 degrees and angle opposite to it is angle C, which will be equal to 50 minus x degrees. Finally, he asked us to find the measure of each angle of the given parallelogram. So, here we know the angles, angle A and angle C. We know that property of the parallelogram is that opposite side will be parallel and equal, and also opposite angles will be equal. That is nothing but here angle A will be equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. So here the property we shall use is opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. Therefore here we can say that angle A will be equal to angle C and angle B will be equal to angle D. Therefore here, as angle A is equal to angle C, we can say that 3x minus 2 degrees will be equal to 50 minus x degrees, which implies, let us transpose this minus x to left hand side and minus 2 to right hand side, then we get 3x plus x is equal to 50 plus 2, which is nothing but 3x plus x is nothing but 4x, which is equal to 52 degrees. That is nothing but x is equal to 52 degrees by 4, which is equal to 4 goes in 52 13 times. Therefore we got the value of x as 13 degrees. Therefore angle A will be equal to 3x minus 2 degrees, which is equal to 3 times x value we got it as 13 degrees minus 2, which is equal to 3 times 13 is nothing but 39 degrees minus 2 degrees, which is equal to 37 degrees. And we know that angle A will be equal to angle C, therefore angle C is also equal to 37 degrees. Now let us apply the angle sum property in the parallelogram. Then we get sum of angles in the parallelogram is equal to 360 degrees. That is nothing but angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be equal to 360 degrees, which is nothing but which implies that angle A is 37 degrees plus angle B plus angle C is 37 degrees plus we know that angle B is equal to angle D. Therefore let us substitute instead of D B, which is equal to 360 degrees. That implies 37 plus 37 is nothing but 74 degrees plus angle B is nothing but 2 times angle B, which is equal to 360 degrees, which implies 2 times angle B is equal to 360 degrees minus 74 degrees, that is equal to 286 degrees, which implies angle B is equal to 286 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to 2 goes in 286 143 times. Therefore we got that angle B is equal to 143 degrees. We know that angle B is equal to angle D, therefore angle D will be also equal to 143 degrees. Therefore we got all the angles of parallelogram as angle A is equal to 37 degrees, angle B is equal to 143 degrees, angle C is equal to 37 degrees, and angle D is equal to 143 degrees.